Yo, what is up, everybody? Today is gonna be a package from Spigen, one of my favorite brands that I use for my accessories. I'm gonna show you how I got this package. You might be guessing I bought it from wherever, like the store you might be guessing. And you guys will be completely wrong because on TikTok, I entered the giveaway for the MagSafe thing that I have, and I won. Thursday before Christmas, during 2023.
We're sending this whole MagSafe setup to one of y'all, and the steps to enter are so easy. And don't worry, you don't need to be an iPhone user only. This setup is insane with the MagFit dual charger, a phone and earbud case, and an ARC hybrid. Plus, we're throwing in a metal ring plate to turn any of your cases MagSafe. Here's how you enter. Make sure you like, comment, favorite, and share this video. And most importantly, make sure you're following us, because if you're not, how are we supposed to contact you if you win? We're sending this whole MagSafe. Who wants a free keyboard? Who wants a free dock stage? Who wants free accessories?
Congratulations to Justin, Saul, Jonathan, and Ray on winning our Santa Spigen giveaway. We hope you all had a dope holiday and looking forward to doing more of these in the future.
I won the giveaway by the TikToks and my DMs. So I got the email. So they got my email after I typed it into the DMs. They emailed me with a PDF file, and I sent them back by just putting my name, phone number, email, and my address. So I sent them back with the information that I put in, and then they sent me a tracking number for the shipping. And then today is the 11th right here, and it delivered yesterday, the 10th. Which I'm not home because I have school, and since today is the last day of the first semester of my school, I come home earlier than Fridays. So yeah, if you guys want to know more about my school, I'm not gonna say the name of it, but I will tell you more on my second channel, which should be in my link in the description below. Now I need to find my knife because I know I picked it up when I cleaned my room last weekend. Alright, so I got my knife. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. Sorry for the bad camera drive here. Alright, here we go. I'm so excited. We got Spigen, my favorite company. Alright, so all you gotta do is tape on here. Alright, here we go. And we got the Spigen. Oh my god, the packaging is pretty nice. We got bigger for this side. You guys can pause it if you guys want to. Alright, okay, so we got this. Oh yes, let's go. Spigen one top bring it up. That's really nice. I love that. Alright, put that to the side. We got this Spigen Unfield Dual Wireless Charger, which oh my god, I love it. Alright, put that to the side. They don't got no phone case. Oh wait. Got the AirPods Pro 2nd gen. Got the battery. Oh, here, guys, the case is battery. Alright, so we got this cardboard mat, which is really nice. And we got the case. I thought for a second that I'm not gonna get a case that's advertised. But here we go. I'm so hyped for it. Go ahead and close this up. I love you, Spigen. I trust Spigen more than any of my accessory companies that I've been with. I trust them more than Autobots. I know Autobots has some good stuff on it, but I think Spigen has way better stuff than. Autobots, in my opinion. I'm keeping this, bro. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. I don't have the AirPods Pro, but I'm planning on buying one. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the phone cases, then this battery pack, then this, and I'm gonna deal with this later. I'm keeping them all right now. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the phone case. Alright, I'm gonna find something that I could just find a hole. Oh, nice. Okay. I know it's in the plastic. They package these things so well. Oh, okay. That looks a lot bigger in person than what I see on TikTok. You guys probably want to get fun here, but here it is. That is really nice. I love it. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Xbox case. I got my case off. Just got my new phone case from Spigen on my phone. Next is gonna be this hybrid wireless portable charger. 5,000 milliamp hour. Oh yes, let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and let me go ahead and put this right here so you guys can see it. So can I just open it like this? There you go. Come on, speak. Come on. There you go. Alright, future Jonathan Tage header here. So this I didn't record the whole full video about the battery pack and all the other stuff, but I did not unbox the AirPods case and the MagSafe thingy that you can put on a case that does not have MagSafe. So those two things are still right here. So yeah, I'm planning on buying AirPods like I said. So right here I have that mag thing. That's what it's called right there. Upfield. That's just MagSafe thing. I enjoyed it, man, because one thing that this thing don't have is a power brick, so I just connected the USB-C port that came with my nightstand, so no big deal on that. So yeah, another thing that I got is this these battery packs. Yeah, and you can just attach this to your phone that has a MagSafe ring on it, and it charges the phone just fine, which I absolutely love. So yeah, AirPods case, which I think it's gonna be as nice as my phone case once I get the AirPods out in my hands. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Alright, before I end, I'm gonna say thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe if you love it, and yeah, peace. Also, please do not mind all the computer cases, because I'm gonna have to just sell these two